10 green bottles fallen, like in the old, my lingering routine, like a death ode. Same time, staggering, lumbering, slowed, unsure if I was 2 or 10 told. Yet I said, one more for the road. To and fro, abroad to abode, always extra cans or bottles stowed, 'cause no telling the need to reload. My motto, the bibulous code, a fullness means a clear road. My reasoning appeared to erode, unable to tell man from toad. That spirited state, that high mode, a state the sober cannot decode, the way to live on the road. Impending doom my mind did forebode, for in this state I once rammed a node, with casted limbs in sling and skin sewed. Untold accidents later, I stayed on board, I had 9 lives on the road. Riding the night or laden with load, partners in crime, old taunt and gold, heels like horses the old knights rode, none other my skills bestowed, I was king of the road. On this day it heavily snowed, under the lights the ice sheets glowed, close where the path bowed, I lost control, oh the blood flowed, I had claimed 9 lives on the road.